Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Calm Design. Today I am setting up kind of pre-planning for May. So I tend to do this around the third week of the month, for the month ahead. So I'm doing May, which just seems crazy, but here we are. So I've got my Frankenplanner here where I've got my catch-all, my wellness, my journal, and my business stuff in here. So I've already been through and whited out the monthly, and I've done the same with my monthly in my wellness planner. I'll say it again, I don't like the Sunday start, so I just redate the whole thing. I've put a couple of my stickies already in here because they carry over from the previous month. So I'm just going to put in the couple of things that we have going on. We've got Cinco de Mayo on the 5th, because that would normally be in the planner here, but because I redate, it goes over to here, right? We've got a full moon on the 7th. That one needs moving. Is that the 8th? Yes. 8th. That's the anniversary of my father-in-law passing away. We've got 12th, which is Mother's Day. And those keeping track will know that I have 2 Mother's Days because I have the UK Mother's Day in March. So now I have another Mother's Day, but here we are. And then the 15th, I've got one little word mid-month, but I've also got my girlfriend's birthday, and it would have been my grandmother's birthday. And then the 23rd, got that's the new moon, Di. New moon, is that right? May, yes, new moon. That is the full moon. There we go. I don't know why I always get them confused and mixed up, but here we are. 25th is my Aunt Tracy's birthday. 26th is my cousin's birthday. And I've got the flea and tick. Got Memorial Day on the 27th. It's one of those months. And then my aunt and uncle's anniversary here. Okay, so that is May set up there. And then when I decorate this, which is usually a day or so after I've done my setup, I will take all of these and then put them into my weeklies, just so that I'm kind of reusing all of the stickies and I'm not kind of putting new stickies in all the time. Okay, so that is the basic setup done. All I have to do now is pre-plan what sticker books or themes I'm going to use for each week when I come to open my planner and decorate. Now I do this so that when I decorate for the next week, I'm not just left with a blank page. I have some idea of the challenges, the themes that are going on that week, that month, or sticker books that I want to use or something, just to take out the decision fatigue. So I don't sit down with 4 blank pages to decorate. I have literally taken 15, 20 minutes and pre-planned the whole month ahead. That's how I do it. You do you. Let's dive into what I'm going to decorate my planner with in May. And if you're looking for ideas on how to, themes for decorating your planner, sign up for my email list. The link is in the description because I send out an email every month with ideas like this. The one for this month has already gone out, but sign up and you'll get next month's when I do next month's. But I do the prep so that you don't have to. I do the prep so that you don't have to. So for my monthly in my dashboard, I think I'm going to do Beltane, which I'm going to do florals, and I'm thinking the Made to Bloom sticker book. That is what I'm thinking for that. And I do the currently the same, although I might change it because this is rather bright and colourful, so I might do some kind of brights to go with that. But that's the theme for that. For the first week, you know what I might just do quickly is do this one, because I think I'm going to use my stash. I'm going to use the Colourful Life because I'm desperately trying to use the last bits in that book. And I'm going to combine it with Fitness. And we'll do that for here and for here. I might find something that matches this. We'll see. Black will always match, so that's good. All right, so that's my monthlies done. For the first week, the week of the 29th, we've got a couple of things happening this week. We've got things that I want to do anyway. We've got Star Wars Day, which I'm going to do in here because it's the 4th. Definitely doing Star Wars. If you haven't seen my Star Wars spreads, I basically have a sticker book of The Mandalorian, and I'm basically using that. I've used it for the past 2 years, possibly more than that. And I'm going to do Grogu again. I freaking love. I'm going to put Hobby Lobby, but that's just where I got it from. It was a sticker book from Hobby Lobby. It was a kid's sticker book, basically. I'm going to be honest. It was a kid's sticker book. What else? We've got Roller Derby Day. Got Scrapbook Day. I think I'm going to do scrapbook paper. I'm going to do that in my journal. Let's do scrapbook paper in my journal. Yes. Scrapbook Day, I believe it's on the 4th. Could be the 5th. And I'm going to use scrapbook paper. Then, for my wellness then, I can either do Roller Derby Day, Bugs Bunny Day, or Beltane. I think I'm going to do Beltane again. I'm going to use florals and maybe the colourful florals. Question mark? Question mark. Who knows? All right, for the second week, we've got the week of the 6th here. We've got Mother's Day on the 12th, right? We've got Children's Book Week this week. We've got Pets Week. Those are probably the 3 that I can think of, because I looked at this. This is the Mega Holidays book. I looked at this and it didn't have a whole ton of Mother's Day stuff. So I think I'm going to use this for my wellness planner, because I don't need a whole bunch of stickers for that. I think I'm going to do this in my wellness planner. And then for my dashboard, I think I'm going to do pets. And I've got a ton of pet stickers for that, so yes. And then for this, I was going to do Mother's Day. And Mega Holiday Happy Planner. And then for my journal, I'm thinking Children's Book Week. I'm not sure yet whether I want to do another Dr. Seuss spread, because I did one a couple of months ago. I might want to do something else. I'm going to put question mark. Because I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do there. Because the other thing is, I want to put in the challenges. Yeah, I don't know yet. All right, then for the week of the 13th, we've got Barbecue Day on the 16th, Strawberry Day on the 18th, and then Spring Astronomy Day. The Spring Astronomy Day fits into the Planner Stash Challenge to use a magical, mystical, spiritual book. I'm going to use Stargazer. I'm going to use Stargazer in my journal. Stargazer Planner Stash Challenge. And then I think I'm going to use Barbecue Day, purely because I can use some of my stash in the seasonal books. I might do a bit of a beg, borrow and steal from quite a few books and do that. That makes sense. And then for my wellness, I'm going to do Strawberry Day. And I'm going to put printable question mark. I could just use the colours strawberry, right? Yeah, we'll see. Or I'm sure I can beg, borrow, steal some strawberry stickers from somewhere. I'm sure there's some in a book somewhere. Oh, you know what I do have? I have some Dollar Tree fruit stickers. Question mark. Yes, yes. All right, the week of the 20th, we've got quite a few. We've got Tea Day on the 21st, Bee Day on the 20th, Turtle Day. We've got Eat More Fruits and Veggies Day. I think I'm going to do Tea Day in here. I'm going to use the Tea Temptations, the washi tape shop. And then for my wellness, I'm thinking the bee theme. I've got a couple of Hobby Lobby sticker books that would work. I'm going to put Hobby Lobby. 2 books. There's one that I've not even used, so I might use that one. Maybe. It's like florals. May even match this. I mean, there's not many bees, but we're going to go with it. But it kind of matches. Right? Kind of. Let's do that. Let's do that one. I'm going to do Hobby Lobby. Yes. And then for my journal, it's always the journal one that I kind of get tripped up on because I do dot grid and it gives me a lot more freedom. Sometimes freedom is... I'm going to put either turtles. I did a printable last year. Turtles or fruits and veg. If I don't do Strawberry Day, I could use the strawberry stickers, the fruits and veg stickers. Actually, there's a huge sheet of those, fruits and vegetables. I could use those. Dollar Tree. Question mark. Everything is a question mark. Have you noticed this? Everything's a question mark. All right, and then for the last week, I think I'm going to do the stash challenge. I'm going to do numbers. I'm going to put numbers planner stash challenge. Yes. Then for the week of the 27th in my wellness, I was going to see what inspiration I got from here. Oh, it's blank. I might do again like Free Spirit or something, the planner stash challenge. Magical, mystical, or cosmic watercolor. I could use anything. I've got the cosmic watercolor, the Free Spirit, the Stargazer, Zodiac. I've got a few kind of celestial. I'm going to put celestial. Celestial. Yes. And then for my journal, for that week, that last week, it is Parrot Day, and I'm going to use parrots, and I'm going to do a printable. Yes. See, that just took like 10 minutes just to think about the days. And again, if you're looking for days, I do a list each month, and I give you suggestions of books that you can use and stuff like that. So the link is in the description to sign up. But yes, that is me set up for May. Oh my goodness, it's May. Again, the challenges for this month are kind of some kind of celestial, spiritual, magical, mystical sticker book or a mini book, which is another thing that I could have done. I could have done a mini book. Monochromatic, color spread, monochromatic, using bullets as your sticker shape, and using numbers. So those are your 4 challenges for May. So let me know what you're excited to do. For me, I'm just excited to do another Grogu spread. So yes, may the 4th be with you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.